Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Dian and today we are doing another episode of Side Hustle South Africa. So today, are you planning on becoming a driverpreneur? Let's take a deeper look into Bolt and Uber. Why would you get into the Uber and Bolt space? Well, first of all, there's a big demand and a small supply. What does that mean? Well, simply it means there's a lot of people who actually want to use the Bolt and Uber services, but there's not a lot of drivers. Now, this is where you come in. If you want to become a driver, you will automatically have a large customer base in whichever city you are in. Unfortunately, Bolt and Uber are not always available in small towns like where I stay, Heilbron, Free State, but more in bigger cities or bigger towns like Vanderbijl, even Johannesburg, Cape Town, those cities, So, can you do it full-time? Well, there's a lot of people who actually do this full-time and they make a lot of money with it. Now, I don't know if anybody starting out will be able to do it full-time, but it's a great side hustle. And let's go over when you should be doing this. So first up, during World Cups. Now, obviously, a lot of people need to go from their homes to the stadiums, but they don't have any transport. Now, when you deliver a service that makes it possible for the person to go from their home to their stadium, or even from their home to a near bar where they can watch it on the television with their friends in the bar, obviously Uber drivers will be a lot busier and Bolt drivers will be a lot busier during that time. It's also very good on Friday nights. Why? Because everybody is going out and everybody needs transportation, and especially the people who are more responsible and don't want to take their own cars will actually just call an Uber or a Bolt driver to come pick them up, especially if they had a little bit too much to drink. Okay, so how do you actually start? Now we're going to be looking at the requirements to become a Bolt driver. How to become a Bolt driver in South Africa specifically. Become a driver in just a few days. To get started, here are a few things that you require to become a Bolt driver. Have a vehicle or vehicle details and contact details of a partner on the platform with a car. A valid driver's license. You can get more info when you click here. By the way, all the links I will be using will be in the description for you guys to also click on. A motor vehicle's license disc with operating card, a double disc. A professional driving permit, a PRDP, or also known as a PDP, service provider card. Vehicle certificate of registration, COR, a vehicle inspection report, a TRA, a vehicle year. Okay, and here is the vehicle requirements. A vehicle year 2013 and above, depending on the city you operate in. 4 doors, luggage capacity of 350 liters, and you need an AC. Clear criminal record. Now I can see why this is very important. Smartphone, Android device operating OS 6 and an Apple iOS 8 and newer. Now, this article explains a lot of very useful information that I don't want to be taking up too much of the video. So just a quick run through. You will be having to write a test afterwards, but there is a video that will have all the details, and I'm pretty sure everyone will be able to pass. It will only take 1 to 3 days for your account to get ready, and then you'll be ready to go onto the streets. The Bolt app looks kind of like this. If you haven't already used it, you basically click online, you set your radius for where you want to be driving, and whenever you get a client, you will be able to go to them. You will be learning a lot in the training, so once you sign up, you will be able to understand this process much better. How will you get paid? There are 2 ways on how customers pay for a ride on the Bolt platform: in cash or via Bolt in-app payment, also known as card payments. A payment cycle runs from Monday 12 o'clock to following Sunday at 11:59. Balance statements will be issued thereafter. This means you will be getting paid definitely, so don't worry about that. just for now, get started and get a few clients. What about the costs? No monthly or hidden fees. The average commission on drives is 23%, which includes 3% in VAT, which gets paid to SARS. If you want to get more detailed information, please contact us at supplyjhb@bolt.eu. Okay, now we're looking at the requirements for Uber. Let's quickly go over this. So get started. First, you have to sign up online. Then book safety screening and driver evaluation. You can do that over there. Also, once again, link is in the description. So upload your documents, which includes a valid South African professional driving permit, a PBDP. You have to be a minimum of 21 years of age. Now, this is important. Unfortunately, 18 years old, not the best side hustle for you, I'm guessing, but 21 years and older. Provide a driver profile photo, safety screening certificate, driving evaluation certificate. Only required in Cape Town, Johannesburg, Durban, and PE. Cool. You can upload the documents here. You need to get a vehicle, and we'll look at the vehicle requirements right now. So the vehicle requirements in South Africa. Now, obviously, Uber has a lot of different types of class. You get Uber Comfort, Uber X, Uber XL, Uber Black, Uber Van, Uber Go. So we'll be going over those real quick. But first, let's see which car is right for you. Make sure your vehicle meets the requirements in South Africa by following the below requirements. So hatchbacks will be accepted on Uber Go. 5-door hatchbacks, minimum year 2013. 4-door sedans, minimum year 2011. From 1 January 2022, only sedans that are 5 years or newer or 2017 and newer will be eligible for Uber X requests. ABS, passenger and driver airbag safety features fitted to all vehicles. Let's go to your vehicle must have model year 2011 or newer, 5-door hatchback, 4-door sedan and or a minivan. ABS, passenger and driver airbag safety features fitted, good condition with no cosmetic damage. This means like scratches and torn leather inside, all those stuff. Also, it has to be clean, I'm assuming. Documentation needed: operator's card, double disc, commercial vehicle insurance. Now, for this you will need insurance, but I'm pretty sure with Bolt it's also good to have insurance anyway. Vehicle inspection can be completed at any Tiger's wheel and tire. So these are the cars that you are able to do Uber Comfort with. Additional requirements, those are the ones you can see. Vehicle options in South Africa for Uber X. Now this is the Uber X requirements, you can go over that. Popular models, Uber XL, now you can go over that. And popular models for Uber Black and Uber Van, and lastly Uber Go. So how do you actually sign up to the app? You just go to the links I pasted below. You just go to sign up as a driver. You can sign up with WhatsApp as a Bolt driver, which is pretty unique in my opinion. So you just enter your email, your phone number and the city you will be operating in. Same goes for drive with Uber. Your name, you fill in everything that needs to be filled in. If you have an invitation code, please enter it. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys the video is now at an end, so I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for all the support I've been getting, and I wish you all good luck with this side hustle. Please comment down below if you will be trying this out. I know if I was 21 years old, I would have definitely wanted to try this out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.